Hello and welcome. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. In today's video, we shall show you a very simple solution to a very common problem: how to fix a weak or no signal message on your lgtv. Basically, the weak or no signal message appears when the lgtv is not receiving a signal from the aerial or attached device. The most common reason that people see this on-screen message is that the lgtv is set to the wrong source input for your device. This can happen if the power to the lgtv has been disconnected and the lgtv resets itself to the aerial input. To fix this weak or no signal issue, simply press the source or input button on your LG remote control and select the correct input for your device. In this example, we select HDMI 2, and our satellite set-top box is now available. If you do not know which input to use, simply cycle through the available options until you locate the correct input. The second reason that you may see the weak or no signal message is that your device you are trying to watch is switched off. So make sure the device is turned on. The third reason for a weak or no signal message is that your TV aerial is not connected to your TV. So to fix this, check the aerial input cable is connected to your TV. If you found the information in this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, happy viewing.